Hello everyone, welcome to HT Auto. Have you ever wondered why your vehicle pulls to one side or experiences uneven tire wear? The answer lies in your wheel alignment. Today, we explore why proper wheel alignments are vital for your vehicle's performance, safety, and overall longevity. First, enhance safety. Proper alignment ensures stable handling and optimal tire contact, reducing the risk of accidents. Second, extended tire life. Regular alignments prevent premature tire wear, saving you money on replacements. Third, improved fuel efficiency. Proper alignment reduces rolling resistance, enhancing fuel economy and lowering expenses. Fourth, a smoother ride. Maintaining alignment leads to a comfortable driving experience, reducing vibration and jolts on the road. Fifth, preserve suspension components. Correct alignment prevents undue stress on suspension, preventing costly repairs. Sixth, enhanced handling. Properly aligned wheels improve vehicle responsiveness and control, enhancing overall driving performance. 7. Minimize drift. Alignments reduce vehicle drift, ensuring the car maintains a straight trajectory on the road. 8. Prolonged brake life. Proper alignment reduces uneven brake wear, extending the lifespan of brake components. 9. Save on repairs. Regular alignment prevents issues that can arise from misaligned wheels, a saving on extensive repairs. 10. Warranty protection. Many vehicle warranties require regular maintenance, including alignments, to remain valid. Stay covered and worry-free. So remember, regular wheel alignments are not just about smooth driving. They are essential for safety, longevity, and saving you money in the long run. By steering clear of alignment issues, you ensure a safer, more efficient, and enjoyable driving experience for miles to come. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to HT Auto for more exciting automotive content. Until next time, drive safe.